Hey, good Monday morning, everybody. This is First Warn Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Brad Penovich. Hope you had a great Mother's Day weekend. This week is going to be a very wet week ahead, but it's not going to be a total washout every day. It's just going to seem like it. We've got a really interesting pattern shaping up this week where we kind of get locked into afternoon and evening storms every single day, and it's a little bit more than your typical spring or summer pattern. So let's get right to it and show you why we're going to see this pattern. We've got an area of low pressure trying to develop over Florida and the eastern Gulf of Mexico. You could see it right there. Big shield of clouds. Almost looks like a subtropical system or a tropical depression, but here's the thing. It's not a big deal whether it organizes or not. That's not the issue here. This is all about the moisture and rain. It is not going to perk up into a tropical storm. Even if it does, the impacts don't change at all. It would be a very weak system. In fact, the Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on it. They give it about a 40% chance of subtropical or tropical development in the next 5 days. Remember, subtropical just means it's not a true tropical system. It's kind of a hybrid. It's half regular low pressure and half tropical system. But in both cases, it doesn't matter. This isn't going to be a wind and surge issue. This is going to be about rainfall. Rainfall is going to be our biggest issue over the next couple of days. And here's why. This is the upper level pattern, and I'm going to show you that we're kind of stuck in this blocking pattern a little bit. You can see on the map, right here is our tropical low, subtropical low. We've got a ridge out here, and we've got a developing subtropical ridge, basically the Bermuda High, which gets really strong. These two ridges aren't going to move. They're going to provide basically a blocking pattern. And because they have clockwise flow around them, they're actually going to help enhance this strong, moist flow that's going to come into the southeast. So you can see this pattern. You see the strong ridge develop off the east coast and the little dip right here over the southeast. This is going to be around for probably the next 5 to 7 days, though each day it should get a little bit weaker over time and eventually move out. But with this strong ridge off the east coast, I mean, that's a summertime setup, but thankfully it's out over the water and not over us. If it was here, we'd be in a big old-fashioned drought with heat waves. Out here, it's just going to be warm and humid with scattered afternoon and evening storms just about every single day. So let me show you how this could unfold. So you see our low down here, stationary front to the north, and we'll go over the next couple of days. We'll even go into tomorrow first. We'll go to tomorrow morning, and you can see we'll start to see moisture increasing. And remember, there's a big high out to the east of us, low pressure down here, and in between we've got southerly or southeasterly flow, which every single day after 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll see scattered showers and thunderstorms that will linger into the evening hours and probably dissipate after midnight. Things will calm down each morning, and then they'll fire back up in the afternoon. You can see this is a pretty wet pattern. A lot of people always ask me, is it going to be a washout? Here's the thing about washouts. In my opinion, the definition of a washout is an all-day rain. In this case, there's no scenario where it looks like it rains 24 hours a day. That's just not going to happen. There will be breaks, but the problem is those breaks could only be 6 to 7 hours, and then the other 10 hours we've got scattered showers or storms around. So daylight hours in particular, afternoon and evenings, count on every single day after about 3 o'clock that we get scattered showers and storms that last into the evening. And some of the rain's going to be heavy. There's no severe weather threat with any of these. This is tropical in nature, so it's just about heavy rain. And these will be scattered about every single day. So I'm going to go through the next couple of days. And here we are. We're going 4 days out, 5 days out. We're getting into next weekend here. And we still got scattered showers around. This is Saturday. You can see Saturday by 2 o'clock. Notice the difference from the morning hours. So here's the early morning hours kind of scattered. Then we get to the afternoon and it becomes more filled in. And that's kind of what I would expect every single day. So this is Saturday afternoon at 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 8 o'clock. So all-star race, truck race this weekend. We'll be dodging raindrops. It's too hard to pin down the exact timing, but there's going to be a lot of scattered showers around. So you got to plan for rain no matter what you're doing this week and into the weekend. This is going into Sunday. Sunday afternoon we've got rain. We go into Sunday evening, there's still rain around. Now, it looks like early next week, a front or something tries to come down here and maybe try to kick it out. But I'll be honest with you, this pattern is just stuck. You can see the ridge just parked right here, clockwise flow, little dip out here. And then we just got this plume of moisture that's just stuck over the Carolinas for the next 5 to 7 days. So I can't say for sure every day is going to be a washout, but if you have anything planned outside, you need to have a rain plan over the next couple of days because it is going to be a soaker. In fact, this is the 7-day rainfall forecast for our area. You can see, especially in the mountains, 4 to 5 inches, and across the Piedmont, 2 to 4 inches. The reason you see the higher amounts in the mountains and foothills is because I expect a southeast flow or southerly flow that'll ramp up into the mountains, and that'll be the area where we see the highest rainfall amount. So, yes, it is going to be a very wet week. Yes, there's pretty much a chance of rain every day. But also, no, I don't think every day it will rain the entire day. So I've got a lot of questions about golf tournaments, field days, Disney, the race. All my answers will be the same. There's going to be scattered showers and storms around. I can't make decisions for people, but if you need zero rain, then this is not the week for you. If you can work around a couple hours of scattered showers, then there might be something for you. But anything more than that, it's going to be a pretty wet week. So just know, scatter showers every day, and we are not going to be in a drought going into the summer. I can tell you that right now, based on this pattern. Of course, I'll have you covered throughout the week, and we'll be talking more about this setup. Every day will be a little bit different, so it's going to be one of those days. Where did the storms pop up today? But I know for sure we're going to see some every single day this week. Have a great, great Monday, everybody.